Okay, there's a few things I wanted to pick up from this conversation. You said that your skills were from the best to the least best. Is
Yeah.
that a word? I've seen some people put like
Oh,
little
Oh,
bars next to it. Would you recommend people putting those bars, like how proficient you are in that
I
skill?
don't know. I don't like it because it's like I'm telling you that, yeah, like I'm telling somebody, hey, I don't know CSS, but hey, I know JavaScript. So but the job requires both CSS and JavaScript. So I think I don't know. I don't like that at all.
yeah. I thought it was cool when I'd see it, but I think most people would never put like a small percentage of their knowledge on there. Um,
Yeah, I wouldn't
but
do
I
it.
personally wouldn't do it.
Yeah, I don't do it either. I definitely do the sections like Khadija mentioned, where it's like front end skills, back end skills, databases that I know, and then everything else. I put like if you're a front end developer, if you know Illustrator, you know Figma, that's also important. Put those on there.